All right, when you get it out of the box, this is pretty much how you get it. It's not that heavy, the box, but it says don't rip it with actual blade. Don't use a blade. So I'm trying to use a tip on the top just to get the glue out. And I mean the tape out. Here's the entire structure with the instructions we're going to set up for today. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, this is the entire thing that you get together. So we're going to put this together. I like the sink itself, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Small little sink. So this is perfect if you're going to set it up into an RV or small little bathroom. It's just one sink, one faucet. That's pretty much what you get. We are going to put it together and show the final product. Right, here's the final product. If you guys can see now, the faucet's not included. You got to provide your own, but this is pretty much what you see. And I'm going to size myself with this so you can see how tall it is. Now it fits me all the way almost to my waist. It's a little smaller. So if you're going to remodel your RV or a small little bathroom, or if you need no more than maybe a couple feet of a clearance, this is perfect. Now when you guide it with your actual mirror and everything else, the ambience is beautiful. The whole setup, took me about half an hour to 45 minutes, almost to close to an hour, right? Because there was I had to switch out some of the legs out. The instructions are pretty thorough, but I messed up a couple of times, so I had to go back and make sure it lined it up. Now I'm gonna show you a little bit more about the actual door and the rest of the stuff. There's actually an entrance where you could put in your plumbing through here. There's a shelf that you could lift it and put it down any direction you want. It's pretty simple to actually move up and down. And then you have extra storage space in the back. Of course, they give you screws to mount it towards the wall and the studs, all right? Make sure you're gonna do that so it won't move forward or anything. It could be something fixed. Now, the door could be adjusted, all right? So if you don't like how flush it is, or maybe it's too thick on the inside, you could adjust it. Now, faucet, you only have one entry on the actual faucet, so you're going to require something that like a simple faucet that's going to go hot and cold left to right, so and dual connection. All right, so that's what it is. Now this thing, you would have to glue it too, because right now it's grabbing onto the actual system, but I would recommend you some heavy duty glue so you could connect and marry the actual wood fixture itself. This is pretty much the size. I'm about 6 feet tall. So if you're going to require more space or less space on some of the areas that you're going to set this up, this is perfect. I like that you can open it up. You can adjust the legs to balance it out, keep it perfect level. And it's very simple. Plumbing is not included, faucet is not included. The only thing you get is the hardwood and the actual top of the actual sink itself.